Hi guys, and to show in this video here about this project here we have transformer pad. Here they paved asphalt binder. That's the construction entrance. Here you have material. That's the sample approved from architect. You can see mesh, plywood and mesh and cement, and that's real stone. Okay, here you can see plywood. That's for the exterior. Here you can see poured concrete for light pole. Here you can see foundation for steel. Also here foundation for steel structure here, and there you can see they pour grout. Okay, same thing here. You can see here they painted black. Here you can see roof trusses, tyvek with the blocking. Here plywood. Here you have tyvek, slab work. So here you can see plywood from the back and tyvek clips. That's DuPont tyvek commercial. Here you can see bolt and net, pressure treated. Okay. Yeah, that's for boxes here, conduit. You can see it's still metal door frame. Okay. Steel structure, diamond control joints, diamond control joint, steel structure, and here you can see that because here there's the LVL, here there's the LVL. Okay, here same thing, you can see there's the LVL from here to there. So the LVL will sit here. Okay, here you can see more steel structure this way, plywood. Here window opening, header above opening. Okay, metal stud, clean job side, and here duct work. You can see steel structure, temporary electrical panel. We got some rain. Temporary lights. Yeah, wood, columns, and here you can see that hold down, MC for electrical. You can see in some project, they tie those to that column. They tie it together. It came like welded thread, so they tie it nut and bolt. This one no. Also sometimes they put like the sponge between beam and wood. So here you can see also here sprinkler pipe all the way, duct work. So this building is for like soccer field. You can see. So here we have conduit. Okay, you can see here grading work, slope, salt fence. Okay, that's the gas line. Okay, main sanitary line. Same thing here, plywood and tyvek. Here you can see they painted black and put that mesh. Don't know if you can see it. Okay. Same thing over there. Here we have columns covered with plywood, tyvek. Same thing over there. There's a black mesh here. And here they started with the hardy siding, cement. You can see roofing work, plywood, tyvek, DuPont. Here expansion joint. You can see expansion joint. We have some cracks, we have some cracks all the way. Here you can see diamond And here that's steel all the way up. Framing, roof trusses, duct work, drop down duct. So this video about poor concrete slab. Here you can see you have some cracks, and here there's like lights in the slab, roof trusses, metal door frames. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos. Okay guys, thank you.